Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great Sunday. Today on the channel we'll be looking at the next figure in Wave 6 of the Masters of the Universe Origins, and that is the ETERNIAN Goddess, Guardian of the Power in the Universe. And there she is. Now, for some strange reason, and I might do this during the video, I like to call her the Green Goddess. So if I do that, I apologize. I know she's not the Green Goddess, but I just call her that. So I know she's the ETERNIAN Goddess, but I just call it the GG or the Green Goddess. But there she is, with that amazing card back that we all know and love back in the 80s, that vintage style look that Mattel brought back for this Origins. I want to say thank you, Mattel, for that. Let's flip it around to the back. And of course, we have her action call out and features and how you can pose her and her weapons and stuff like that. The figures in Wave 6. Of course, we did Webster and Stinkor on the channel already, if you would like to go back and watch it. And tomorrow we'll be looking at the Lords of Power Beastman. But there you go, with some amazing, beautiful artwork with Savage He-Man, and I guess the Guardian is forging the swords together to become one power sword. And there's Skeletor. But absolutely amazing, beautiful artwork as well, as always. And there you go. And of course, with all new waves, they all come with the same comic book. This one's no different. This is called Rock in a Hard Place. There you go. Let's look at it real briefly. Well, there you go. There's the story. Beautiful illustrations, stuff like that. The Guardian, giving the power to Prince Adam to becoming He-Man and stuff like that. And there you go. And basically, if you can't tell already, this is a repaint of Tila. And I have a loose version of her. There she is. I like to call her also sick Tila, like she ate something, weird and made her green and stuff like that. Or you can make her like, I'm sure we're gonna get the slime pit at some point, during this. And, you can have her maybe, like, be Slime Pit Tila, She got slimed as well, kind of. Or maybe she's, like, part of the Snake Men, like their god as well, That's the beauty about Master Universe, stuff like that. You might get a different, same body type and stuff like that in likeness and stuff like that, but a different color scheme can open up to many possibilities and stuff like that. That's what I love. Maybe this is her transformation from, Tila to, like, Snake Tila, which we just got recently in Origins. It's what I love about this, this line. You can just use your imagination and stuff like that. But there she is. And I have regular Tila. I'll stand her right next to her. Get a good look. So there they are. So there's Tila, and they're starting to transform to, like, Snake Tila, probably, if you wish. So, like, you can tell, look at the knees, that, this is how Wave 1 looked like, before they trimmed the knees down and made them more feminine and, smaller looking for the female figures. And all a really cool character. And I think this is the first time, and I might be wrong, that she's been introduced in the toy line. She's been in a lot of comic books and stuff like that. Helping Prince Adam find the sword and becoming He-Man and stuff like that. But at least, at least she's my first figure. I never had a ETERNIAN Goddess before, so I'm really happy to have her in my collection. But there she's in the back, like that. Around their staff and her shield and stuff like that. I just moved Tila out of the way, but you can twist her. I think it comes apart like the like the males and stuff like that, and the peg and stuff like that. You can snap back on. There's no worries. In fact, give me 1 second. Here's Tila. Let's do the same thing with Tila. There you go. Boom. And then we can just swap parts out if you wish. And they're, a totally new character, like her becoming, a snake man, or one of the snake people, if you wish. You want to use your imagination. Take Tila, and there you go. So, the possibilities are endless, guys, and that's what I love about, Origins and stuff like that, being creative and stuff like that, a simple repaint and, of a character that we all know and love, can transform it to something totally different, in our imagination and our eyes and stuff like that. The only thing I wish is that, I love the snake armor and stuff like that, but I wish it was a different color, like maybe a darker, like a yellow or something like that, or a black, give it a little bit, something totally different from the Tila snake armor and stuff like that. But if you ever lose the snake armor for Tila, or it gets damaged, stuff like that, you have an extra one for her, and vice versa. You got injured, shield in her scepter, her snake scepter. I mean, you have an extra pair, which is great. So there you go. But there you go. Let me go transform her back. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, we're all back to normal, guys. So I want to take the time out to say thank you for subscribing, guys. If you made it this far, guys, and you haven't subscribed, guys, please subscribe, guys. I try to do a video every day talking about Master Universe, from the Origins wave to Revolutions to the CGI, stuff like that. Please like the video, guys. Hit that thumbs up and share this video too, guys, with anybody who who loves Master Universe, stuff like that. Hit that notification bell, guys. So when when I upload new videos, and like tomorrow, I'll be doing the Lords of Power Beastman, the final figure in Wave 6, the single-carded figure. Of course, there were 2 exclusives in this wave. The Entertainment Earth, a Palace Guard set, and another Battle Cat, but one of the cooler Battle Cats in this particular Origins wave, Battlefield Warriors, where you can see Battle Cat and He-Man damaged and stuff like that, and I absolutely love that. So we'll be looking at that later in the week and stuff. So thank you guys for subscribing again. I hope you guys have a great Sunday, and hope you guys have a great week as well. Until next time, guys, take care.